How are you going to get this on your calendar? So I am going to give you my link to get it. Now, you might have been somebody that already subscribed to it before, so it might already be there and it's already updated. I'll show you how to get it and how to work with it, and then I'll answer questions. So you're going to tell me, yes, you want the strategy calendar, what to do in kvCore every day, every week, and every month. When you submit this, it's going to lead you to a page, and it will also email you to a page. So I want to show you that. It's going to look something like this when you get the email. It's going to say, it'll either say Digital Domination Strategy Calendar or it'll say kvCore Strategy Calendar. I'm not sure. And then there's the link to the calendar. It's going to take you to this page. And then here's the Digital Domination Strategy Calendar. You can view it in agenda and a month form or week form. It's totally up to you. But I don't even want you to look at it from here. I want you to add it. I want you to subscribe to it. Okay. And I have these other links here in case like you're using iCal or Outlook and you need certain types of links that those programs call for to be able to import this calendar in a different system. That's what those are here for. But hopefully you do use a Google Calendar just because it's so convenient. That's why I say hopefully. And then you just click here, Google Calendar, boop, and then it will, whatever Google account you're logged into at the time will go to try to add it on there. For me, it's already added. So obviously, ta-da. And if you've already done it before, it's already there, but it's renamed now Digital Domination Strategy Calendar. I want to just talk quickly about subscribing to calendars. So those of us at EXP, for example, there's this expcloud.com website, which is the only website we used to have at EXP. So this is where we went for everything. So all of the events, all the classes for the UK, for Canada, are here listed. And you can click here to subscribe to that calendar. So these things can be on your calendar. So I want to show you how this works, because some of you might not be familiar with Google Calendar management in this way. I want to show you over here at the bottom, other calendars. Besides my Digital Domination calendar, I'm subscribed to my this education calendar. This is EXP's education calendar. Okay, we'll do Level Up Wealth Wednesday. So this, let's say I look at this and I'm like, ooh, I want to go to that. You know, I could put this on my own calendar. So what I could do is I could say, I want to go to this event. I want to make sure it's on my own calendar. So here at the top where it says options, I can click copy to my own calendar. I have a lot of calendars, but this is my work calendar. So copy to that calendar. I want to save that. So then it's going to show me in Pacific time. I'm in Eastern time. So, oh no, what am I going to do? It says, do you want to put this on there? Yeah, I want to do it. I'm going to save this. Uncheck it. And then now you can see it's on my calendar now. There it is. It's right there now. Boom. So I can look at it. And guess what? Now it says it is, still says Pacific time, but it also is at 11:30, which is Eastern time. So you can see it says 8:30 a.m. Pacific time, 11:30 Eastern time. So I know that I'm good because it already converted to my own time zone. Okay. So that's how this calendar works. The only thing that's different about my calendar is you can move all the tasks to whatever time you want, except for the prospecting power hours. I'm going to look at my calendar right now. So this is my calendar, my current calendar that I use. This is my events that I typically do. So if I'm looking at a calendar I subscribe to, I can check that box and kind of compare and see if there's certain things on this calendar that I want to make sure I do. So if this is you and you're looking at this, you can say, okay, I really want to do this kvCore daily review. I know I need to do that. And so I'm going to add it to my calendar, but I already have this other thing that I've committed to do during that time slot. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add this to my calendar. So I'm going to copy it to my calendar that, yes, I want to do this. I'll put it on my calendar, but instead of at this time, I can't do it at this time. So I'm going to do it at, I'm going to move it now that I've copied it to my own calendar. I'm going to do it at 10 o'clock instead. And I'm going to change that for this event and all events, boom. and now I've just moved this to 10 o'clock. Okay. Or I don't want to do this every day. So instead of every weekday, I want to do this custom. I only want to do this Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, for example. Done. Okay. And then this and all following events. Boom. Now I've set it so that it's only going to be on my calendar 3 times a week. So now what you've done here is now you can customize this calendar to work for your own schedule, your own time zone.